Hi, hello. I'm really broke. So I needed to be under $20 for lunch this week and I did it. I spent $15, I want to say. So I know you already saw what I got, but let me show you what I got. It was between sandwiches and salads, and I decided salad so that I could eat more vegetables because that's the easiest way to get vegetables in. I got 2 of these mini Caesar chopped kits. One Green Goddess Ranch, and then I'm gonna give this Pizza Ranch one another try. I love the Market Side one. I didn't like the Taylor Farms one when I tried it, but I'm gonna try it. And then for protein, I got some plain tuna, ranch tuna, urban garlic, and lemon pepper. And I know that I also have some of this in my fridge already, so I might use that instead. And then I got 1 yogurt because I have 3 in my fridge already. And then I got some strawberries. These look and smell delicious, so I think they'll be good. And these are for my yogurt. I also have granola already, so let's put those together. Hello. I can't remember if we talked about this, but I ordered these from Amazon. They are, sorry, you were falling. I'm trying to put you on something you shouldn't be on, but I don't have anything else. So anyway, they are little like sleeves for photos. And I ordered a bunch of photos to put in these frames, which, surprise, surprise, these are still in the packaging. And I'm gonna do that. Here's my photos. We already talked about that. And then what doesn't go in these, I'm going to put in these for the fridge. And my fridge really needs a declutter because there's so much stuff on the fridge. There's like wedding invitations and stuff for things that have already happened. So I'm going to do that and have a little snack at the same time. Also, let me show you what I got from Target the last time I went. I am officially on a no-buy, so I will not be going to Target anytime soon because the stuff is always just too cute. Anyway, I got this little cloud. It's a spoon rest, it says, but I'll use it for something. And then these glass spoons are very pretty. These were the last of the color. All the rest were like white and light blue, I think. These are obviously green and dark blue. And then I got these adorable corn cob salt and pepper shakers. I love corn, so I thought they were cute. And right now I'm working with mushroom salt and pepper shakers, these guys, which I also love and we use every day, but maybe try them out. Anyway, like I said, now I'm officially on a no-buy because I'm so, my spending is getting out of hand, so I need to chill with that for a while, at least until I can pay down some of my credit cards. But anyway, let's do this. are good together, especially with carrots. So I'm gonna give it a try. This is obviously the natural order of things. Or if I feel crazy, I could go just all 9 across. This one is our most recent photo together, so it feels only right to have this one in the thing. I love this picture of me and my best friend, but we're so filtered to hell. It feels weird to put it on the wall, if that makes sense. And then I printed so many pictures of our cat who passed away, and I don't want to bring the mood down by putting them in here, but I love her. We love her. Here's what I have. Also, the mustard is pretty good, but it would be better if my carrots were the size of thumbs. Here they are, but I don't know where I'm gonna put them, so they're probably gonna sit on this table for like another month. These are a lot sturdier than I expected. This is thick, and this is heavy duty, and this is hard. It's hard to get them in. What I have left. This is what our fridge looks like. And most of it will probably stay. I've got some doubles of photos, so those might come down, but it's just really cluttered. We made these, but they are falling apart. So I'm probably gonna take these off the fridge.